So my morning skincare routine is very simple. In the morning, myself, I don't cleanse, but if I have to cleanse, I'll use a very hydrating cleanser. So this is what I might sometimes I use CeraVe cream to foam cleanser. This is a very good cleanser, especially if you have normal skin. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Instead of cleansing, actually I don't cleanse because I feel like it has actually changed the way my skin is. I don't cleanse my skin in the morning because it helps to retain moisture that my skin has made at night, and also it helps to protect skin natural barriers. So I don't cleanse. So but if I have to, I'll use micellar cleansing water 3-in-1. So this is what I use in the morning instead. Or I just wash my face with water. That alone, it's enough. So this is what I do, and that's all. I let it dry. But other days I will just wash my face just like that and leave it. Face like that. But before you start washing your face, you want to make sure, before you start doing any skincare routine, you want to make sure your hands are clean. You want to make sure your hands are clean to avoid transfer of bacteria from your hands to your face. You want to make sure you're very gentle to your skin. So you want to pat dry your skin. Instead of rubbing, you want to pat dry your skin. You want to use a toner. So I'm using Elf Skin toner, and this one, it has oatmeal milk and aloe vera juice, and it also has niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to niacinamide helps to lock moisture in the skin. So yeah, that's I'm using this one. And also toners helps to tighten your pores. They help to tighten the pores and also remove any, if you are using it in the PM when you have makeup, it also helps to remove any traces of makeup that maybe your cleanser has not actually gotten rid of. So I take a cotton pad and I put, well, in everything you want to make sure the toner you're using doesn't have alcohol in it, otherwise it will dry your skin. You want to make sure it's a hydrating toner so that your skin become very well hydrated from toner, from your toning. So this is how I do it. Then I just let it dry. But you can see my skin. My skin is just, you can see my skin. My skin is just clean because it's just in the morning. So you want to let it dry. You want to let this toner dry. Hydrating toners are very good because we have sometimes, if you wash your face with a very drying cleanser, it helps to hydrate your skin just immediately. Then if you want that dewy, or if you want that glass skin, you want to make sure you use a hydrating toner. Then the next thing I'm going to use is vitamin C. I'm using Revolution Skincare London, and I'm using vitamin C moisturizing cream. And vitamin C helps to brighten your skin. You don't want to miss vitamin C in the morning. You must put vitamin C in your skincare. Vitamin C actually helps to brighten the skin. So I'm going to use these. Just want a little bit of it on my skin. I don't want to put a lot of it. So yeah. So after applying vitamin C, you can use any vitamin C of your choice, but I find this working well for my skin, and it's actually it's cheap. It's not expensive. You want to make sure you go here. And at this point, you want to make sure you use an eye cream. I'm using CeraVe Eye Repair. Eye cream helps with dark circles around the eye and puffiness around the eye. So I use a little bit of it. You want to make sure you use these hands because it is the weakest. It is the weakest hand. And you want to do this side. And you can see how moisturizing it is. How moisturizing it is. It is already on my skin. Then the next thing that I'm going to use is a serum. So I'm using niacinamide. I'm using the Inkilist. These, if you haven't tried Inkilist product, you're missing a lot. These products are very nice, and they are very affordable. So I'm using niacinamide serum. As I said earlier, niacinamide helps to lock in the moisture in your skin. So I'm using this, as much as this bottle is not good, so I'm just using a little bit of it on my skin. I just put it on my hand just to avoid putting it on my skin, on my hands. And you don't want to skip that serum. Serum helps with hydration, and it gives you that glass skin, you know. So I'm using this. I'm going to apply it on my skin, and you can see how good this product is. Look at how my skin is. It's very deep. It looks very moisturized, you know. It looks very hydrated at this moment. Look, this. They have other products. You need to go and check them out. Check them out. These are very good products. So look at my skin at the moment. Look at how my skin is. Tell me. Look at how my skin is. Hey? Look. And this is just, yeah, this is how you achieve a glass skin, you know. This is how you achieve it. This is how you achieve glass skin. And I always put the remaining ones on the back of my hand just to avoid the dark knuckles here. So look at that. Look, just tell me, just look at how hydrating my skin is. You see? And for moisturizer, I use Aveeno Calm and Restore. I use Aveeno Calm and Restore All Gel Moisturizer. This. So I love this product because sometimes I use this, but I always go back to this, you know. But sometimes in the morning I use this. It has oat gel, oat that helps to improve skin. This is a very good product for you. And this is how it looks like anyway. This is how it looks like. And yeah, so I just put a little bit of it on my skin. You can use as much as you can, but this is how much I use. It's around I bought it around £7 something. But yeah, it's a very good product, to be honest. You have to moisturize your skin. You need to, and you have to moisturize your skin. this. I'll make sure that I leave all these products I'm using on the description box below, and also in Amazon. You can get them in Amazon if you use my code. You support my channel with no added amount of money, or no added money in your Amazon price. So look at my skin at the moment. Look at how my skin is. It looks very hydrated, and it looks very hydrated. You can see, look at how my skin is at the moment. So this is how you achieve the glass skin. You want to make sure also you drink water and everything. So I'm just going to let this dry up, then I'm going to apply my sun cream. You want to make sure you apply sun cream every day. Now look at how my skin is at the moment. I just love the way it actually coming out, or the way it looks like. It's so hydrated and it's dewy. See, then for the sun cream, I'm using La Roche-Posay, and this is SPF 50. So you need a sun cream every day to prevent you from burning from sun. And yeah, this is how much I use. You can use as much as possible on your skin. I love this product with the fact that it is invisible, you know, on the skin. So this is how much sun cream I use. I always say it online that they recommend you use 2 spoons of sun cream on your skin every day. I don't know, do you use 2 spoons of sun cream every day in your skin care routine? Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah. You want to make sure you apply, and you also want to make sure you apply sun cream on your lips, you know, on your lips. Oh, that's my daughter play. I'm just being generous because I'm going out in the sun. I'm just being generous. And you want to make sure you don't miss your neck. And this is my skin. This is my morning. This is the result of my morning skincare routine. It's very simple and straight to point, and you can see how hydrating. You can see how hydrated my skin looks. And for my lips, I'm just using Vaseline. For my lips. So this is how my skin is. I just love the way it looks like, you know. Okay, I'll see you in the evening for my night skincare routine. See you soon.